Let's talk trap crops today, and if you're a brand new gardener and you never heard this term, this is going to be a quick video on a topic that can actually totally benefit your garden. So sit back, relax, get ready to learn a little bit about trap crops. What is a trap crop? Well, I'm putting up the definition right here, but let's just keep this in layman's terms. A trap crop will benefit your garden by trapping or attracting those pests that you do not want, those insects that you do not want on your actual vegetables that you care about. And let me give you a couple of examples in this really quick video. So, last year, right here, I had a rampant-cotty zucchini plant growing, and I'm showing it right here. Well, I decided to plant a trap crop, unfortunately, right next to it. Here was the zucchini, and right here was where I had the trap crop. That's a cabbage now, but I had a trap crop planted right there. Well, what you want to do is have your trap crop 20 to 30, maybe 40 feet away from the vegetables that you care about. So this right here that I just showed was like 6 feet, 5 feet. Way too close, but it did work, because what I did is I planted a blue Hubbard squash, kind of like this one. Now that plant puts on really good squash, but I use it to attract the squash vine borer moth to it instead of my zucchini and squash plants that I actually want to eat. Because as I'm showing right here, the moth that lays the eggs for the squash vine borer actually was on the blue Hubbard squash plant, but I had it too close. So what I'm going to do this year is I'm still going to have my rampant-cotty zucchini over here, but I'm going to put my blue Hubbard squash in those 3 bins right there. And I'm going to plant them very soon. That way you want to have plenty of time to allow those crops to start growing and the pests to find them instead of your other one. So blue Hubbard squash, again, is a really good trap crop that you can use around your zucchinis to help protect your zucchinis, squashes, things of that nature. Now, on another side, let's talk about flowers. Now, when you think of flowers, are you really thinking that they're beneficial? Probably not, just like I didn't last year. But last year I started growing nasturtiums, and I just grew them because I thought they were pretty. A lot of different colors with nasturtiums, just a beautiful flower that I'm showing right here. And I had them all throughout the garden. Well, I didn't know that this is an amazing flower that is actually used as a trap crop also. Aphids and squash bugs love nasturtiums, and I found this out last year when I had a bunch of nasturtiums over here in this corner, and I also had beans right over here and sunflowers. In the nasturtiums, I found so many aphids just honestly devouring the nasturtiums, along with the squash bugs or the leaf-footed bugs were all up in those nasturtiums. So that was a trap crop that I planted completely by accident, didn't realize it was a trap crop, and it did 2 things. It brought a beautiful extra color palette to the garden, and it helped protect my beans that were over there in that corner right over there. So if you're a brand new gardener and you're just getting excited, your spring's around the corner and you're starting to plant out your garden and you're ordering your seeds, I highly suggest you really think about starting a trap crop or getting a trap crop growing. Or if you're watching this video and it's the middle of the year, again, think about using trap crops to help protect your crops. That's the video, everyone. Down and dirty, quick video on the topic of trap crops. If you all enjoyed this video, do me the 3 favors: share, like, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. If you're a beginner gardener and you're looking for a channel that's geared toward beginner gardeners, then you found one. Click the subscribe button, hit that bell so you're always notified whenever I upload videos. Everyone take care, God bless, continue to shine bright, harvest hard, and I will talk to you all again real soon. Bye.